beautiful sunshine. Such a nice day here in sunny California. You got anything you want to say, babe?
You look great. You smell great.
Thank you.
Thank God for the day.
You're so
There
sweet.
yourself.
Yes.
Throw that in there.
So we're gonna go to this little aquarium over here. You guys can check it out. It's really huge.
Man, that's gotta be a $75 plate right there.
You gonna eat it? Makes sense. Oh, maybe there's some pearls in here. Wow, is that the skull? That's the skull of an orca whale? Baby boy, this is an orca whale. Uninterested. Look at this big old lobster. Look at that. Another one right there. What did you like the most out of the aquarium?
Just the orca skull. That was nice.
That was pretty cool. Yeah. I like the it was a big old lobster upstairs. That was, I mean, I would actually like to eat. Probably might be. But to top it off, it will be at the Monterey Aquarium. That's where we gotta go. The best aquarium. Actually, I'm gonna put some footage of the Monterey Aquarium because we actually went, but we didn't go with baby boy. So when he's big enough, we'll definitely have to go there. Found a cute little hidden gem of a bar, and we're not the only family with baby in here, so
Yeah, it's baby friendly.
yes,
I love it.
yes, we got this whole area to ourselves too. We gotta cool down with some water first. Such a cute store.
I already feel like I'm in it too much.
Why?
Is that weird?
No. Do you want a little book, man? You want a book or a stuffed animal? What did you get, babe?
All right, world. We just got the Mamba Forever, inspiring quotes from legendary basketball star Kobe Bryant.
Hey.
You already know.
I'm excited for that.
If you know about this guy right here, you know this guy went hard, and he was full of inspiration at the end of his career. So I'm very excited to have this.
Yeah. With Dada at work.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? The fam is in the studio.
Yes. So cool.
It's such a blessing.
Yes, it is.
I'm glad y'all came and pulled up on me.
Yeah.
It's such a good tour. You going on tour soon? Okay. All right. That's all he's got for today, folks. He doesn't want to talk anymore. Yeah. Well, thank you for coming by. Anything you want to say to the people before you get out of here? No, he doesn't.
So this is a nice treat for to wrap up today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'll catch you guys soon.